Tired of losing big catches because your gear isn't up to par? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, KastKing Centron Spinning Reel, priced at just $26.99. What caught my attention was its ultra-smooth performance and lightweight design. If you want a reliable reel for ice fishing or just getting started, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Centron boasts a stopping power of up to 17.5 pounds, which is impressive for its size. With a gear ratio of 5.2 to 1, it allows for quick retrieves, making it easier to land your catch before it gets away. Plus, its 9+1 ball bearings ensure a smooth operation, which can really make a difference when you're out on the water. This model is also designed with the CNC aluminum spool for better line management, so you won't be dealing with tangles as often. Now, some people complained about its durability when battling larger fish. Here's the thing though, if you're fishing in calm waters or targeting smaller species, that shouldn't be a deal breaker. The Centron is still an excellent option for casual anglers looking to fish without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just want a lightweight reel for ice fishing. Skip this one if you're planning to target large, aggressive fish regularly. For the price, you can't really beat what you get here. Now, if the Centron's durability concerns you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a much sturdier build. Product number 2, the KastKing Megatron Spinning Reel, retailing at $58.73. What stands out is its unique bionic engineering design, which not only looks cool, but also enhances performance. If you want a reel that can handle some serious action, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Megatron features a carbon drag system that offers over 30 pounds of stopping power, making it perfect for tackling those big game fish. The rigid aluminum frame adds to its durability, so you can trust it under pressure. With 7+1 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings, the operation is smooth, and the anti-reverse feature allows for quick hook sets, vital for fishing when those fish strike unexpectedly. However, some users noted that it could be heavier than expected. But let's be real, when you're going after bigger fish, that extra weight can actually provide stability and strength. So if you're serious about your fishing, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an experienced angler looking for a reliable spinning reel. Skip this if you prefer ultra-light gear for casual fishing. The value for the features you get here is impressive. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing strength and durability. Product number 3, Penn Battle IV Spinning Reel. We have the Penn Battle IV Spinning Reel, priced at $106. This one caught my eye because it's a winner at the iCast Online Awards, which speaks volumes about its quality. If you want a reel that can handle tough conditions and big fish, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Battle IV is built with a sturdy aluminum body and side plates, ensuring it can withstand the harsh saltwater environment. Its 6.2 to 1 gear ratio allows for a smooth recovery of 35 inches per crank, which is super helpful when you're trying to reel in a fast-moving target. Plus, the HT100 front drag system provides 15 pounds of drag power, more than enough for most saltwater fish. That said, some anglers mentioned that at this price point they expected a lighter reel, but honestly, the durability and performance you got far outweigh the slight increase in weight. If you're planning to fish in tougher conditions, this is a minor trade-off for many. This is perfect for you if you want a high-performing reel for serious saltwater fishing. Skip it if you prioritize lightweight gear over performance. Given its reputation and features, it's a solid investment if you're serious about fishing. If you're drawn to the Battle IV's strength but want something a bit lighter, the next option is a great middle ground. Product number 4 comes in at $61.99. I was impressed by its lightweight design combined with its power, making it a fantastic choice for saltwater and freshwater alike. If you're looking for a reel that doesn't weigh you down but still packs a punch, check this out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Sharky 3 can deliver up to 39.5 pounds of drag, which is pretty incredible for its size. It features a unique KISS, or cast cane intrusion shield system, which helps keep water and dirt out, ensuring smooth performance in tough conditions. Plus, the 10+1 ball bearings ensure that every retrieval feels smooth and effortless. However, a few users found the drag adjustment to be less intuitive. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how smoothly it operates. It's not a deal breaker, but just something to be aware of. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and powerful reel for versatile fishing. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional drag system. For the price, it's a fantastic balance of quality and performance. Now, if you like the Sharky 3 but want something with extra waterproofing, wait until you see the next option. Product number 5, we have the Cast King Spartacus 2 Plus spinning reel, priced at $41.64. I was drawn to its IPX5 waterproof sealing, which is a game changer for those unpredictable weather days. If you're fishing in varying conditions and want a reliable reel, this one is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Spartacus features 4 EverSeal rings that keep water, grit, and corrosion at bay, allowing you to focus on fishing rather than worrying about your gear. The maximum drag of 22 pounds means it can tackle larger fish easily, and with its 5.2-to-1 gear ratio, you get a nice balance between speed and torque, which is especially handy for inshore fishing. Some users did mention that it feels a bit bulkier than expected, but honestly, the waterproof feature and drag power more than compensate for that if you fish in a variety of environments. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, waterproof spinning reel for a range of fishing styles. Skip this if you're exclusively targeting very large game fish. For its price, the Spartacus is a solid choice for the features you get. So, there you have it. A rundown of some fantastic saltwater spinning reels that cater to different needs and budgets. We've covered some great options today. The Cast King Centron for beginners, the Megatron for strength, the Penn Battle IV for durability, the Sharky IV for versatility, and the Spartacus II Plus for waterproofing. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Penn Battle IV because of its unbeatable combination of strength and long-lasting performance in saltwater. Avoid the Spartacus II if you're after extreme lightweight gear, since it may feel bulkier.